video will show you how my husband's communication and speech have changed over time.
Yeah, I placed an order already. Could you not put the mayo on the cheeseburger? No mayo on the cheeseburger.
Ordering of cheeseburgers, no mayo?
No, I ordered. I already ordered a fresh
Oh,
salad.
you'd like to change your order?
Yeah.
Okay,
Just,
yeah, not a problem.
just-
So, no mayo for the fine cheeseburger?
yeah.
Anything else you'd like to change?
No.
Alright, we have it ready for your service here.
Okay.
Oops. Video. Oh, happy anniversary, ha. Oops. Oh, next. What is that? Ta-da! Ta-da! You're walking. You're walking. Do you like that? That's it. Let me show it in here.
Have fun.
You like that Fitbit? Show it, hon.
You sure? What?
You like that?
Yeah.
Let me see. In here, I cannot see that here. There you go. You like it?
Yeah.
You sure?
When I come home,
Okay.
I'm
Then Noah.
happy
Again.
new
Wait. Happy New Year! Very good, Uncle Bob. Oh, look at Uncle Bob. Say hello.
I can't talk.
You cannot talk. Are you? Look at my Uncle Bob. Oh, it's so handsome. Oh.
Can't talk.
You cannot talk and you cannot walk. What are you doing right now?
Hardly. Sorry.
It's very handsome.
I
Oh.
can't talk and walk.
You cannot talk and walk.
I dream. Were you there when they hold I dream. Oh, 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 oh. Sometimes it causes me to tremble, tremble, tremble. Were you there when they nailed him to the tree? That's all. Were you there when they laid him in the tomb? Were you there when they nailed him in the tomb? Oh, oh, oh. Sometimes he causes me to tremble, tremble, tremble. Were you there when they laid him in a tomb? Were you there when he rose up from the dead? Were you there? Rose up from the dead. Oh, oh, sometimes he causes me to tremble, tremble, tremble. Were you there when he rose up from the dead? That's all.
Very good. Smile.
more.
You want more? More chocolate.
More chocolate.
More chocolate.
More chocolate.
More chocolate.
More.
What? Oh, look at that.
I've done it over.
You're done this before.
So boiling water
Uh-huh.
over. So unlike this.
Not like this one.
No.
Ta-da! You diagnosis for
Lady,
late
you pray,
before the year diagnose.
you pray.
Okay, say something.
Yeah.
Ready? You ready? You are my son, my only. You make me when skies are. You never know
Dear,
how much.
I love you.
Please don't take my. Do. Female. Re. Mi. Fa.
Long way. Door.
So.
Boy.
La. Ti. That bring us to do re mi fa sol la ti do. Even when words are hard to say, their voice still matters. We still want to hear them, right? Of course, I want to hear your voice, Han. Even if it's hard, I still want to hear your voice. Even you're mumbling, I still want to hear your voice. Right? I want to hear your voice. Even your blah 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 ching ching. I still want to hear this voice. I think that's about it. Do you want any to say? Do you want anything to say? Any suggestion? Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to and share and and subscribe. It might help understand MSAC better too. So, see you in the next video. God bless us all. Again, as we told you, we are not professional for this disease. So the only thing we can share it to you is the things that we encounter or facing right now. So again, welcome to our journey and God bless us all. See you in the next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye. Bye-bye. 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 Okay. Thank you, Ma. Love you. Very good.